Xiaomi is working hard on their latest devices, the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro, set to debut in China this October. These phones will be the first smartphones to come with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. An even more advanced model, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, will launch in the first half of 2025. Tipster Digital Chat Station claims the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will feature a quad-camera setup similar to the Xiaomi 14 Ultra from this year. The new leak suggests that the 15 Ultra will have a telephoto lens with 4.x optical zoom and a 200-megapixel resolution. Most likely, it will be a periscope telephoto camera. The 15 Ultra. A recent leak revealed that the device will feature a dual-layer OLED panel with a 2K resolution. It will have an ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint sensor for security, is expected to ship with up to 24 GB of RAM, and run on Android 15 based on HyperOS 2.0 custom skin out of the box. There is a possibility that it may feature a massive 6,200 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.